Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I made an improvement to my shop last week, I think it was. So I just want to share it with y'all. So I'll be on later. If I don't have any AC or anything in my shop, so during summertime it gets really hot in here. So I've got a 10-foot garage door open up, and I always had these 20-inch stand-up fans. So, and I knocked them over. Constantly, I knocked them over. So this year, I actually put 2 windows in my shop, in the back of my shop, to help with airflow. And these fans, I wanted ceiling fans. So what I done, I took a piece. I do maintenance in a factory. Is my full-time job. Hopefully one day this will be my full-time job. But so I'm lucky enough to have metalworking equipment, welder, lathe, mill, other metalworking equipment. So I took this piece of angle and a small scrap piece of shaft, and I bored the shaft out to the stand for my fan. So I drilled, you can't see, right there's one, and I got another one back here. I drilled, tapped for set screws, help keep it in place. So the gauge material on my fan stand was really thin, so I put a 7/8 dowel in there and use that, so when I tighten the set screw, it compresses against that and don't just collapse, and it still works loose. But I just screwed it to my truss here, and I put it on this side, so if there's any weight or anything, or any kind of heavy vibration or whatever, I mean, it's a fan, it's gonna be vibration, but it pulls against that truss instead of trying to pull it off that truss. So that works out very well. If you can see, let me get back down here. You can see in the very back there, it's blurry, but you can see I've got another fan, and of course my 2 windows, and then that ceiling fan. I've got this ceiling fan in the very front, but it's still back towards the middle enough where I open, let me swing right here. If I open that door right there, it stops just that side of that truss. So my fan's right there, so that door being open will not affect nothing. And I got 2 ceiling fans, so it's worked out so far. I know it's just April, but I've already had them turned on, just keep air circulating, and they work very well. So if y'all got that issue in y'all shop, go ahead and try it if you're able to. If you're not, I understand, but go ahead and try it and see if it helps just circulate air. So bonus, I actually made a TikTok about it. For somehow, I have no idea how, I deleted everything off YouTube. All the videos I had, even my about section of my page on my channel, I somehow deleted all that too. So I'm trying to put everything else back together. So there, hopefully, unless I screw up again, there's more to come.